here is Bloom app, AI for investing. New viral app, stock analysis, smart alerts. So AI part stock research and portfolio analysis. Get expert guidance on any stock. Discover winning investments before they take off and never miss a trade with smart alerts. Bloom is the AI investing app that replaces Morningstar, Seeking Alpha, Yahoo Finance. Ask any question about stocks, upload screenshots, instant analysis, and copy trade AI portfolios backed by hundreds news articles. So, if you're investing in stocks, yeah, it's like people were waiting for this app. I think it will become much bigger, or there will be some another big app. You literally, you need to digest all of these stocks info, a lot of reading. And new generation Zoomers, they literally don't like to read, as I understand. So you just literally need the app which will digest all of the information for you and send you guidance just once per day, for example. Or you just have smart alerts or stock screener, and you have some AI signals, you have some portfolio tracker, catch red flags, avoid losses, never miss a trade, and then you can just tap get. I'll click to install. So let's just take a look in here. It doesn't have that many ratings yet. So I just want to explore it. And then there's Bloom Pro, free for 7 days, 70 for a year. And then tap anywhere to continue. Then there's your portfolio. You can connect your brokerage, but then you need to you can just see, and then you can just see this like investing advice. You're just chatting with bots. Just $5 per week, or yearly it's $104. Ideas, copy trade Bloom AI. For example, you can see Gemini, you can see portfolio breakdown, Opus GPT. And then just invest it like that. Year to date, plus 7%. And from like December, from like November, like, whoa. So from November it's minus 5%. Oh, no, what is that? So, okay. So it started in here. It started not good, then it's actually improving. So GPT seems to be outperforming Gemini and Opus. So yeah, quite interesting. Of course, guys, like you probably, I wouldn't risk all of the money in these kind of apps, but seems this kind of the future. Obviously, it's the research. And then so yeah, then it's kind of a bit glitchy. But yeah, I really like the idea. It's super cool app. And then you can see market pulse, chat, settings, connect brokerage, markets, ideas. And then they have this. So, okay, they don't have some kind of invite links, but they have this kind of, you can just check them out. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. There are all kinds of collections as well. So give it a try.